Hey guys, Sam here from SellFM. Welcome back to the channel. So 2026 is here and this is the best time for you guys to start your online business. And in this short tutorial, I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. Now, we'll set up a clean Shopify store in just under 15 minutes and I help you guys find amazing mini products as well using SellFM. So buckle up and let's dive into how to set up your business for 2026 in just under 15 minutes. Okay guys, so step number one is basically signing up for your Shopify store. Very simple. All you need to do is just go to shopify.com and sign up and they'll ask you to select a plan. And also guys, there's going to be a free trial as well. So don't worry about it. Just go sign up, even your email, your password and your further details. And they won't even ask you for a credit card as well because we've still got a 3-day free trial. So no worries, they won't charge you anything at all. I've done exactly that. So after signing up for my account, this is how the dashboard of Shopify will look like. Okay, so welcome to the dashboard of Shopify. On the left of the screen, you can see a variety of different tools and stuff about our Shopify store. So the first thing I want to do is I want to click on online store. Right, so this is where you can actually take a look at the themes of your Shopify store. Now we still got a password here, but we can't really delete that because we need to pick a plan. So don't worry about it right now. We've got this current theme, which has been added to our Shopify store by default. But then again, we can also add a lot of other themes as well. So we've got these popular Shopify themes that we can take a look at. And in case if you want to buy a specialized Shopify theme, no worries, just simply scroll down, click on visit theme store, and then you will get nicer themes on the Shopify store. Now we got the free ones and we got the paid one as well. My recommendation is if you're starting out, my favorite theme right here is Horizon is a very good theme. You can also go with this theme and Saver also is really good. So these are all the free themes and then you can also click right here and take a look at the other free themes as well. So we've got a lot of free themes and these are all good ones as well, especially in the start. My recommendation is to don't spend money. Dawn theme is actually one of my favorite ones. So I was looking for it and I'm gonna click on try theme, right? Then it's gonna be added to your online store. So it's gonna be added to our store, which is exactly what I need. Now let's add it to our store. Okay, so it's been adding right now. Let's give it a few seconds. And that's it guys. Our theme has been added. Now you wanna click on publish, right? So this is the best free theme that you guys can use out there and it's a good theme. So now what we're gonna do is we have to actually edit the theme. So let's go ahead and edit it. Okay, so we have signed up for our Shopify store. We have added the Dawn theme as well, just like I showed you. But now let's go ahead and edit this theme. First thing you want to do is you're going to click right here. So it's going to show you your online store. So how my online store is looking. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is our store right now. You can see we have no images, nothing at all. It's fairly simple. So how can we edit it? Well, nice and easy. Again, guys, just online store, click on it. And then here we have this page. So you want to click right over here because this is the theme that we just added, right? So this is the theme that we're using right now. But in case you're going to find other themes or use more themes, then you can always add them right over here. So let's go ahead and edit the theme. So you want to click on edit theme. Now it's going to take you to this editor. So the first thing is the announcement bar that says welcome to our store. So just got to click on it. It's going to show you if you want to add any of your social media icons, country, region, language selector. You can type in all of those things. Then you can also add in your Facebook, your Instagram, all of your links. And if you want to do the custom CSS, you can do that as well, but that doesn't concern me right now. What I want to do is I actually want to take a look at the announcement bar because it says welcome to our store. And I want to say something like 50% off, something to catch the eye of the customer, right? I think that looks really nice. Now, make sure you click on save because a lot of people, they do some things and then they never save and it's gone, right? So it's very important that you do that. Now we have the announcement bar. Now if you take a look at the header, so header, right? So this is the name of my store. It's currently called Sam. We don't have a logo yet, but don't worry, I'll show you guys exactly how to do that as well. So we can take a look at the color scheme, right? So the location of the logo, it can be top center, so enough, or top left. How would it look? Also mobile version as well. Okay, I think top center will be the best one. Now you can also change the color scheme as well, but I think this is fine completely. Yeah, I think everything looks cool. Now we do have to add a logo here, we will do at the end of it. Now let me click right here for the desktop version. So image banner, right? So you can always select images, and in case if you don't have any, you can always use the Shopify given images as well. For example, if you click on local shop, looks like a decent image. Look at this, guys. Or maybe this one, you can click on select, and also you can also add another one as well. So for example, this has been added, so we have 2 images right now on one banner, right? You can do that as well. Now having said that, if you want to take a look at the headings or the buttons, you can always click on them and you could add different links to your button. So if somebody was to come to your store and they click on shop all, well, they can actually take a look at all your products there as well. I'll show you guys that thing later because we don't have any products yet. Now we got the featured collection heading right over here. Now we can also add other stuff as well. For example, we want to add a collection list, image with a banner, slideshow, collage, multi-column. All of these things can be added. It's very nice and easy for you guys to design your own Shopify store. So this is how you can play around with your store. You can add images, you can add your own images. Another great website is the Pixel site. So these are the free stock images. Just go to Pixel and you can download some amazing images from this website for your new Shopify store. And in case if you want to design a logo, that of course use Canva, it's free, right? You can definitely use Canva. And then when you're done with the logo, just upload it here and the images as well. Now moving on to the most important part, which is basically how do you find products for this Shopify store, right? So I've done my store, I've made my store, I've set up everything. So how do I actually find products for my Shopify store, which is the most important part? Well, let's go ahead and find ourselves a great winning product using a secret tool called SellWithFriend. So let's jump into it. All right, guys. So here we are on sellwithfriend.com. Login. I'm gonna log in with my Google account, and then we have to connect our SellWithFriend account with our Shopify store. It's very simple, nice and easy. Let me show you how it starts. You wanna select store. So it's gonna take you to the Shopify app store. So let's go to the Shopify app store right now. So wanna search here, SellWithFriend. Right, that is the app that we will use to help us find amazing winning products. So here we are. Just simply click on install. Now once you do that, it's gonna take you to Shopify. Simply click on install again, and boom, that's it. SellWithFriend account has been connected with our Shopify account. Now right now I'm on the dashboard of SellWithFriend because I've already connected my SellWithFriend account with my Shopify store. So let's go ahead and click right here and then right over here, and then this is our Shopify store that we just connected with our SellWithFriend account. Just nice and easy. Now it's time for us to move on to the main part, which is basically finding the winning products using SellWithFriend. So guys, on the left of the screen you can see a variety of tools that can help you do that. We've got ad finders. So basically if you want to see what are the top performing ads on Facebook or TikTok, you can use the ads finders. It will also show you the engagement as well. There's no like the Meta Ads Library, the old system that we use to find winning products. Now we have the next is AI products. Guys, this tool uses AI to help us find amazing winning products. And then my favorite one, the handpick winners. So if you're somebody who's just starting out, who doesn't know how to find these winning products, doesn't understand the criteria and all, with no worries, because SellWithFriend has gotten you covered. With this very tool, every product that you see right here is sourced by an e-commerce expert, right? So these are the products that we think still do very well in the market or are continuing to do so. So all you need to do is just take a look at the few niches that you want to work with, or you can simply come here, scroll down, find a product that you like. For example, this is a cool product, right? Radio cozy. I'm going to click on product research. Now once I do that, not only it's going to show me the cost, the shipping, the selling price, the margins, no, but it's also going to give me the product description as well. So I don't have to go to ChatGPT and ask it for a product description. I can just do it here. And then we have the video ad as well that we can use for marketing, paid or unpaid, organic or inorganic, whatever. And then we have the product insights as well, really to help you understand and make informed decisions. And then we have the competitors, suppliers, everything is given, even Facebook targeting interest and audience as well. So basically everything is being covered right now. That's the most important part, which is basically how do we add this product to our store? Now that we have found this amazing product, how can we add it to our Shopify store? Well, this is the most fun part. So you want to click on this make button that says add to store. Simply click on it. So once you do that, make sure you pick up the right store. So I'm just going to click on this one because this is the Shopify store that we just created. Images, they look perfect. The title is good. Description is AI, amazing. Pricing is done as well. And I have no collections on my store right now, but I can just simply click on homepage. That's good enough as well. And this is the supplier. So guys, the best part is whenever the order comes to your store, SellWithFriend is going to take care of your order fulfillment. Just completely automated. You don't have to worry about any of that. Now simply click on push to store and then wait for a few seconds. And hey guys, that is it. Our product has been shifted to our Shopify store. So let's go ahead and take a look at our Shopify store now. Okay, so here I am on the dashboard of Shopify. I'm going to click on the products. Let me show you guys the product. And here we have the product that we just imported from SellWithFriend to our Shopify store within a few seconds. And look at this, guys. The description is done. Images are done. Color, the variations, each and everything is done for, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to play around with it. So the first I can do is I can just fold it up and then I can play around with images as well. For example, can be the first one. But you can just play around with it and then just save it once you're done, right? So this will be our product page. So when when you click on preview, so it's going to show you actually how your product page is going to look like. So clear images, good description, nice and simple. So this is how easy it is to actually find products and then move them from your seller friend account to your Shopify store. Let me go ahead and do it for another product. So for example, this one, because the Christmas is coming up, so why not? It's a good product as well. Let's move it to our store. So we're going to click on again the add to store. Make sure you select the right account, click on push to store, wait for a few seconds, and guys, that is it. So if I go back to my Shopify store and I click on the products, here we have another product that we just imported from seller friend to our Shopify store. So guys, that's how easy it is. Now once the product is on your Shopify store, you can always play around with the description, play around with the images as well, change the variations as well. Pricing can always be changed in seller trend, but if you want to do it on Shopify, that's nice and easy as well. And then you will always have this available option as well. So what happens is Shopify will always have these. So what happens is seller trend will always sync the inventory, so you would know how much variance you have across for a single product. So it's very, very important, guys. Once you actually start selling your product, you really need to have an idea about how many products you really have or how many stock your supplier really has. So this is how easy it is. Now let's move on to the next part. Okay, so now that we have 2 products on my Shopify store, again, very important to click on save. So now that I have 2 products on my Shopify store, what I want to do is I want to click right here. And if I see here, it says that feature products, 2 products. Now, how about we create a collection, right? So just simply come to the products and click on collections. Now, once you do that, we already have one collection, that is the home page. Now, let's create a new collection and let's call it, just for the sake of this video, let's call it top product. And then, of course, you click on browse, add both of your products. Yeah, I think rest of everything looks good. You want to save it up, of course. But you can also add the image as well for this very collection. We can just pick a picture from here. Just for this video, you want to click on done. And now the image is actually going to show it. So you can always again go ahead to pixels, right? And then you can always download better images from the pixel. For example, let's go ahead and download this image. So let's say you like this image. We're going to click on download and it's already been downloaded. Now once it's done, you can always upload it right over here. And then it's going to look amazing, of course, because you have a better image. So let's actually change it, right? So change image. Here we have added our new image. It's actually uploading. It's gonna look good. So if you're selling sports item, then of course you would have the sports image here. Look at this. This looks good. Now save it, of course, very, very important. Our collection has been saved. Now I'm gonna click right again on the online store and I'm gonna click on edit theme, right? And then what I'm gonna do is, so this is basically our header, announcement bar header. This is our image banner. This is our featured collection. Let's click on add section. Let's add the collection list, right? So the collection list has been added. Let's click right over here, add collection. Let's delete all of these because we only have one collection, to be honest. Select homepage, not really replace. We are going to select the top products and then I'm going to save it, right? And there it is, guys. This is our collection that we just created. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on exit now and then I'm going to click on view your online store, right? So it's going to show us our online store in a few seconds and it's going to show us these featured products that I showed you last time. And there we have it, our guys. This is the collection. So if somebody was to click on top products, they will go and see both of our products. So this is how you can literally add a lot of collections and a lot of products to your Shopify store. Just keep on adding and it's going to keep on going up and up and up, right? So this is how easy it is to actually create collections on your Shopify store. So now what's left is our footer and main menu. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay guys, so simply click on online store to create pages. Now you can click on add page, just add something like terms of conditions and then you can simply paste here whatever you want to say about it, and then at the end of it just make sure it's visible, save it. That's how easy it is to create the page. And then again, a very, very important page is the privacy policy. Add that as well. Very, very important. Just make sure you have these pages because if you're marketing, of course, on Shopify or your Shopify store on TikTok or Instagram, well, those kind of platforms, they really need the privacy policy, terms of conditions. All of these pages, all of these policies needs to be, set up, aligned before you actually do marketing for your store. Now just make sure you have it completely ready. In case if you don't know how to, then you can just use ChatGPT as well. Nice and simple. Now so we have these pages ready, and then what you want to do is, let's say you want to add this privacy policy. So let's say you want to add it to your main menu or your footer menu. So how do you do that? Well, it's very, very simple. If you click on content and if you click on menus, it's actually going to show you the menu. So let's go ahead and create a menu. You can call it the main menu, right? And then of course here we can always add all the pages. So privacy policy can be added here as well. and then you can also add another one that we just created. So terms and conditions, and then you can literally save it, right? So this is our main menu which has been saved. Now, how do we add it to our store? How do we actually make it go live on our store? Okay, click on online store, themes again, edit theme, right? So just click right over here. It's going to actually show you right now your main menu. So you can simply click on replace and you can add the main menu, right? Save it, and there we go, guys. Our main menu has been added. If I just simply click here, it's going to show me these two pages that were just created on our Shopify store. So this is how easy it is to actually create your own menus on your Shopify store. Just make sure you have them live before actually doing marketing for your Shopify store. It's very, very important. Okay, guys, so that is it for our video. Now, I've shown you guys how you can sign up for your Shopify store, how you can create your Shopify store using the free themes, how you can find amazing vending products using Sellertrend, and then upload those products from your Sellertrend account to your Shopify store in just a few hits, right? So product hunting has been done, and then I showed you how you can create collections from the pages. So each and everything is done. This is how easy it is to actually start your own Shopify store in 2026. So guys, that is it for our video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do let me know in the comments what do you guys think about our video, and if you want to know the top 10 products to sell in December of 2025, then you can watch our next video right over here. Till then, please stay motivated, keep making those sales. I'll see you in the next one.